Hi guys, I wanted to try something new today. And I have some kiwi and some banana and some mixed nuts. Look at this. These are cashews. There are cashews here. There are almonds, pecans, Brazil nuts, macadamia nuts. I wanted to see how my smoothie will turn out. So this is a trial smoothie. I also have some coconut water just in case the smoothie gets too thick. So let's see how this turns out. Let's see how this has turned out. It's almost there. A little sour. So I think I'm gonna add one more banana. Then I'm gonna dump all this into the blender. Let's blend. Let's try the smoothie again. Good. That is nice. I added 3 bananas and 5 kiwis and mixed nuts. This is awesome. As usual, bon appetit. See you in the next video.